Hello, hope you're all doing well for the exams. Preparations are going on. Okay, so today's video is all about presentation software. For presentation software, we are using PowerPoint. Okay, so let's. I know you're already ready with the basics, but let's start doing one by one the task. Okay, so the first task is Simon wants you to create a presentation for new divers. The presentation must include 4 slides. So you are going to create a PPT that contains 4 slides. All the slides must match the house style. So the house style, you have to keep it in mind, will be given in the beginning of the question paper. Probably the font or the placement of the logo, the font style, font size, where it should be, like how it should be aligned, etc. Okay, so these things will be given in the house style. Then also the details about the company, the place, their address, email, contact number, location, all these details will be there in the house style. So you have to follow that while creating all the tasks. So it should match the house style. Use a light green background. It should include a title. So all the slides should be in light green background. It should include a title. Use text selected from the file presentation. Use appropriate images from the images folder, and it should be fit for the purpose. So they have not given us any PPT as such. We have to create one. So I am going to start creation. So it is a blank presentation. Now it should have 4 slides. That's it. That's what they are saying. So I'm gonna insert 4 slides which should have a title and content. Again, they are telling images also, it can be there. So title and content, 4 2 3 4. Okay, so these are the 4 slides. Now what they are saying, it should match the house style. So I don't know for this task what is the house style, because I don't have the whole paper. I have just taken the task. Now suppose let the house style be serif font. So serif, sans serif, this I have already informed you, I have already taught you. Suppose I'm writing it here, house style is serif font. Okay, so you will follow that house style. Now what is serif and sans serif? Serif and sans serif is two family of fonts. Okay, in serif it is Times New Roman. Sans serif it is Arial. So you have to just learn one or two names so that you can apply. Do not go search what is serif. There is no font as called serif. Teacher did not teach. It is not there. The computer has got a problem. No. Serif, sans serif, it is a two family of fonts. I mean a group of fonts. So you have to learn any one or two from each. Okay. So serif, I'm gonna include Times New Roman. So it should match the house style. Use a light green background. So let me insert the background, format background. Now solid fill, I will go to the color. I need a light green background. Okay, if you want it to be more lighter than this is also fine. Or if you can, if you need, you can choose. Okay, then you apply to all. No, wait, I applied the white color to all. Now this you apply to all. It is all the slides has been turned green. Okay, so that is done. I think I added one extra slide. I'm just removing the title slide. So these are the 4 slides according to the requirement. It should include a title. Now title we have to put according to the text. So let's see what is the text given. So use text selected from the file presentation. So you go, the file name is presentation. Okay. So you will go to the given data files. In that, presentation is there. You just open it and you will see what is the text provided, and you will put that text in 4 slides. Okay, so Celtic Springs Scuba staff and roles owner Simon try a dive, 1 hour in a pool in full kit. Okay, these are the things. So probably mm, open water. This is my uh, one slide. So I will include this text. Wait. Okay, I will include this text here, and open water is the title. Okay, so that is done. Then advanced, this is the second one. Second one is the second thing, advanced OW, then rec. Okay, done. Now the title should be properly, so just include the size. I will just center align it so that it is okay. Now fine. Now if you want to arrange this text, you can do it. Okay, we need to insert pictures also, right? Photos also. So it could be like this. So basically it is formatting. Okay, if you want the title to be underlined, that's also fine. I don't want the bullet points here. Okay, so you do like this, and then okay, I have just kept some space for, see, I just made it justified so it looks neat. Okay, this is justified, justify. Okay, so the first 2 slides I did. Similarly, you have to do this 2 slides also. Okay, then going back to the question, include a title. I included text selected, that I included. Use appropriate images from the images folder. Now let's open the images folder. Open the images folder. So what I do is insert pictures from this device. Where is our folder? Animation files, task 1. Okay, there is no image folder. Wait, let me check here. This is the folder. Oh, there is no image folders. Okay, I will take from this image folder. Okay, it is nothing related to the diving one, but still I will show you how to include the pictures. Okay, see, control, or we will put the line one, control copy. You can just paste it, it will come, or click this, or you go to insert pictures, this device, you choose the folder and you can get it. Just choose it. Okay, so this is how your slides will be. So that part is done. I mean, let's go back to the question. It should be fit for purpose. So it is done. Now let's see the next level. The first slide must also include a 30-second timed and automatic transition to the second slide. So what is meant by transition? Moving from one slide to the next slide is transition. So when you see this in slideshow, see, moving, I have to click the keyboard or mouse, then only it will go to the next slide. So it should go to the next slide in 30 seconds. That's what they told. Let's confirm it again. 30-second timed. It should be 30-second timed only. So the first slide should be shown to the viewers only 30 seconds. So let's see how to apply it. Go to transitions. Duration of the slide is, I think now it is 4 seconds. We will make it 30. Okay. And then what else? What they told? After 30 seconds, it has to go. Okay. On mouse click, no, automatically. So you will uncheck on mouse click. After 30 seconds, go to the next slide. Now let me see what else is given. My thing is not working, I think. Okay, let me see the preview. Okay, and then wait, let's wait for 30 seconds. Let's see whether it moves or not. It should actually move. Wait, I will just reduce the time to 2 seconds. Then let me see. Duration of the slide is um, 5 seconds. Okay, and then um, what was the question? We need to apply some transition. We will put switch. Wait, now let me, no, that is for the next slide. We will put this for the slide. Okay, cut. Okay, so in 5 seconds it is moved, and then the other PPT is not at all opening. Okay, a 30-second timed and automatic transition to the other slide. So it is 30-second timed and we have to put automatic transition. You can put any transition, let it be random bars. Okay, so no, this is applied to this this line. Okay, let's see for this. Uncover origami. Now let's see. After 5 seconds, it should move automatically with the transition. Okay, so such a question is asked. You have to show the what? You have to, when you take a screenshot, you should take this also after how many seconds. In our think it is showed 30 seconds. So you have to show this in the screenshot. Similarly, for this, you should show the transition, the fracture or whatever, wind or drape or whatever you have to show, because the animation cannot be shown to the examiner. So once you choose this, do not go from here to any other place, any other tab. Just go to transition, keep it there, and you take a screenshot of this including showing the transition. This is how you do. Okay, and here it should be shown automatically after 30 seconds. Got it? So this is how you do the transition. If you want, I will show it again to the for these two slides. Here there is no image. Okay. uh, how your slide moves to the next slide, that is called transition. So we can set it as automatically in, we can give a time and a design how to move. Instead of simply moving, you can give any one design. So the time, how many minutes or seconds you need, that you have to put here. Advanced slide means the slide should go to the next one in how many seconds. Suppose here I am giving uh, 3 seconds, that they will give you. Okay, so once it is given 3, the first 00 is millisecond, millisecond, then seconds, and then minutes. Then uh, how it should enter or exit, that is again your wish. See here, you can, wait, I will give none for this, because we don't want transition for this, we need transition for the next. Okay, so like this, or I will put like this, uncover. Okay, this one. Now let's see. So this slide should advance in 3 seconds to the next slide in the given transition. So let's see the preview in slideshow. See, in 3 seconds it will move. Now this is applied only to this particular, the question will be to apply to all, then you will apply this particular settings to all the slides, or they might give you a particular type of transition. Okay, so that you can choose from here. They will give you the time also. So this is what basically, so this is basically about transition. Okay, this is the maximum question that can be asked. Now let's see what is the next one. The second slide must include staff roles and names from the file presentation. So let's include, I don't know what is there in the second slide. Okay, second slide, it has got open water. I'm putting it here so that I have enough space to put the names and roles, I think. Yeah, job roles of people. Okay, qualified instructional team. Okay, now let's see what we need to put. Here we have staff and roles. Honor Simon instructors and dive masters. Their names are given. Okay, so I'm just copying it. I'm just pasting it here in the second slide. They told second slide. That's it. Okay, and now what they are saying, what they are asking us to do is, I will tell you. So it is pasted. It is pasted. A consistent animation effect applied only to staff names. So we need to apply animation. I'm just closing this. Okay, animation only to the staff names. So what we will do, either you can choose one by one, or you can choose the whole. Okay, so animations. Okay, so either you will give animation to a single word or to the whole names. So let's see how. So you can give any animation. Okay, so fly in, float in, split or wipe or shape or wheel or random bars. How you took, go to animations, apply it. For how many seconds, that also you can decide. Okay, duration is 50 seconds, like that. Now, if you want the entry animation, that you can. If you want the exit animation, that also you can choose. Okay, so I'm choosing this bounce. Then let me see the preview. Animation is applied. Okay, so but if you want it, see, once you add the animations, you will get the number. Like one animation is added. If you don't want the animation, go to none. Now if you want one by one, float in. Okay, so that is animation is added. Why? Then random bars. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, so this way, that is our transition to the next slide. Okay, so this way you added the animation. Okay, consistent animation effect applied only to staff names. So staff names, oh, so then we don't need the owner name. So owner, do we need the owner? No, so only to the staff names. See, let's see, owner, instructor, die masters. Okay, so that is what you have to be. The question is very very tricky. You have to be very careful what they told. Okay, so task 1 level 3 you have completed. So you have completed the question. PowerPoint, basically you have completed one PowerPoint question from a past paper. Okay, now we will take the next one. This is another question from another past paper. Jonathan wants a presentation to give visitors details about the animals in the safari park. Okay, here are his designs. So he has given a design also. Title slide, slide 1. It should be like this. Other slides should be like this. Your task is to produce 3 more slides using information from the file, slide text and images folder and the layout shown in Jonathan's design. You need to select suitable text and images, create slide 2 about safari parks. Okay, so he's giving us so many tasks. Let's do the first one. Do not read the whole task as it is, then it will be very very difficult. You will feel, what is this, how much to do? You will take line by line. So your task is to produce 3 more slides. I will take a new one. Okay, title slide. So you need new slide. It should be the title and content. Okay, isn't it? Yes. So the title is what? Wild Safari Park. Wild. As it is the title, I'm just aligning it to the center. Okay, Wild Safari Park, where wildlife is closer than you think. Why the first letter did not come? Where wildlife is closer than you think. If the text is available, you will just copy paste. Okay, see, where wildlife then is closer than you think. You don't need the bullets, and then you will just center align it. Is it done? Yes. So the title slide is ready. Now the other slides, it has to have a slide title, text standard as bullet points, and image to illustrate the slide. So I'm gonna insert a title with content and caption. So there is no title, so I will go for two content. Okay, so like this, one, two, three. He told three, right? Now what slide title should be given? Now we have from the slide text, your task is to, so that I have prepared the layout. Now what we need, your task is to produce using the information from the file slide text. Let's go to the slide text. What is given in the slide text? He is the guy, Jonathan, his Spark. Slide text. See, the file name is slide text. Go to slide text. Okay. Oh my God. It's all about the animals. How you can help buffalo, elephant, leopard, lion, rhinoceros. Fine. So he needs only three more slides. So the title I will give, the first one is buffalo. Wait. First one is buffalo. There are or what we will do, what is there to, yeah, see, it is given. Let me just format it. Okay, if you want it as it is the title, you can make it um, all capital. Okay, and then they told this has to be in bullet points. Highlight it, give bullets. I just arranged it so that it fits. Okay, so this is about buffalo, and then you need the image. I will do one by one. Go to images. Which is the buffalo? This is the buffalo. So they have given us also the name so that we can recognize. So buffalo, I will just paste it. Done. Okay. Then who is the next guy? Elephant. Elephant. We'll just add it here. Make it bold. Uppercase since it is the title. Now the text. What about the text? There are 8 elephants. Okay. Copy the text. Just copy. Do not wait to read. Don't waste time and all. Okay. Now highlight it. Just increase the size so that it is more readable. I'm just arranging it. Okay, and now either you can go to insert, choose the folder, or you open the folder. Where is the elephant? Only this picture, there is no good picture of elephant. Okay, that's fine. I'll just control copy. Okay, like this you will do three other slides. Okay, include the image elephant you saved in. Create slide 2 about Safari Parks elephant. Thank God we created about Safari Parks elephant. Okay, include the image elephant you saved in task AG1. So here in this, you are creating an image. I'm just deleting it because here you have to insert the image that you created in the previous task. Okay, so that you will put there. That is what this question is saying. Layout shown. So this my PPT is done. Then next level, create slide 3 about one of other animals at the safari park. So what is slide 1? I forgot. Slide 1, They are not telling about slide one. Okay, slide one probably their title slide. Slide two about this thing. So I will just rearrange my slides. Slide two is about elephant. Okay, they told slide two should be about the elephant. Then one other animals. Make sure that the selected text is fit. You may need to edit it for use on the slide. Okay, so I added the buffalo is the youngest buffalo in the park at 2 years old, is also the largest. Okay, I just edited it. You can add full stop. I formatted it, so I think including the title they need only the three. Okay, so task 2 is done. Create slide 4 to explain how to support the work of Wild Safari Park. Make sure that the selected text is fit. You don't have to write an article. Don't take this ICT exam as English. You just copy the text from there. Okay, so let's see. They need one more. So I think it will be a content only is not there. We will put no. Do they need any images? You may need to edit. Make sure that the selected text is. You may need to edit it for use on the slide. Okay, so I will just insert a title and content one. Okay, content. We will take it from this. How you can help. Then fill in a sponsorship form. All those blah blah things are there here. They have you have to modify this. This will ask you to donate. Those who make a contribution of will be offered a. You can also buy the goods. This helps us because all the profits you can leave completed forms at the. I just made it to bullet points so that it's easy and readable. Okay, so this is what they told in the other one. Okay, just closing this. So slide 4 is also done. So your second task is done. This was the second question from the previous paper. And then open the slide presentation pentathlon. Create 2 slides to describe features of competition that you know. Find out more about the competition. Enter the competition. See, this is like preparing it, then creating the slides and putting it. Now you know how to do it. Change slide 3 to make it more appealing to this group. So you have to format it, arrange it nicely. That's it. Take a screenshot, then explain how the changes you have made will make it more appealing to the target group. What changes you made and how the changes can make it more appealing to the target group. That is actually basically a theory question. Change the presentation so that it runs continuously without user intervention. What you will do here? Suppose I'm not making another one. I will just show with the one we created. This slide automatically it should run without any intervention. You don't have to click the mouse or press the keyboard. So what you do, transition after, no need for mouse click after. Wait, I will put it 4 after, after 4 seconds, and then here apply to all. So this is applied to all the um, slides. You don't have to choose a transition. Let's see. After 4 seconds, it is moving to the next slide, even though we have not chosen any transition. Okay, see, I'm not clicking the mouse, not touching the keyboard. It will end. Okay, so this is how you will choose after how many seconds. It can be 3 or 4, then apply to all. So you will be taking a screenshot showing this. Okay, this should be shown in your screenshot. I hope that is clear. Explain how the changes will enable the presentation to run continuously without user intervention. You have to write about it. Okay, how it will run continuously. So that is done. Then create links to the slides in task. I will show you how to create links. That is the one that is left behind. Now, in the questions to create links, they will be showing you link. See, like this, links. So link 1 or link 2, like that. So I will put here elephants. Elephants. Then what you need? Buffalo. So insert another text box. Buffalo. Then see, this will be given the layout. Okay, if they are asking you to insert another link, you will do like this. What was the thing? How can you help? You don't need to create or write any text. It will be given. Now this elephants, you select the text, insert link. Now from where I should get, or where should I link? Place in this document. If they are asking you to put to external, like to a website and all, you can choose this, and then you put the web address here in this address bar. Or if it is placed in this document, see, slide titles are given. Now elephant should go to the elephant slide. That is basically the idea, right? When I click on this elephants, it should go to the elephant slide. Okay, once once entered, once linked, it will show like this. It will be turned to blue color underline. Now let's do for buffalo also. Highlight it. Where is our link? Insert link. I need it go to buffalo. Okay, so that is also done. Now how can you help? This slide also I am linking it to link. How can you help? Okay, so that is done. Now see, this is the thing. How can you help? Wait, it is going. How can you help? It will go there. Okay. Now what they will ask you to keep a link to the home page. Home page means what? Wildlife safari. Okay. So let's do that. Insert. I'm putting it here. Home. Let me just link to the home page. Insert link. It will go to this wild safari park. This is the home, I mean the first slide. Okay. Okay, then let me just copy this. Done. So everywhere you have a link to the home. Let's see whether it works. I will go to buffalo. Okay, buffalo to home. See, elephants, elephant to home. Go to home. How can you help? Back to home. So this should work between the slides. Okay, and then how to show them? So once you take a screenshot, they will understand whether there is a link or not. Okay, so this is how you add links. I hope it is clear. You can also link a picture. Insert link. Buffalo to the wild safari park. Okay, now when you click on this image, it will go to wild safari park. Understood? So you can also add links to the images. So that's all about PowerPoint presentation, adding links to the different pages, creating transition, then creating animations. Okay, animating the objects. So do practice well. one more thing is about the master slides. Okay, so master slide is you're setting up a master slide so that the layout is same for everyone, for every slide. So go to view, how to insert a master slide. Go to view, slide master, click here. Now this is the master slide pane. Okay, so we have different types of layout, right? Like we have the title with content, title only, blank page, content with images. We have different layouts for the slides. So we can set a master slide for any layout. Suppose mine is a blank one, I'm choosing the blank thing. So here I am inserting, wait, my background I'm changing it into um like this. Okay, gradient fill. Then I want to insert some images, like for example lion. Just think that lion is the logo that I prepared. Okay, just imagine this is the logo, so I'm putting it here. Then I'm inserting the text box WSP, that is the Wild Safari Park. Okay, now this is the master slide. Okay, go to slide master. I have set one slide that is blank as master. Now you close the master view. Okay, so nothing happened here. So what is this teacher doing master slide? Oh, she told something she did there and now it's not there. Listen, these all are another layout. This is title and content with the image. Okay, now let me see how when I insert a new blank slide, because I had set a master slide for the blank layout. See, this is the blank. There is no other blank. When I click here, this is the thing. You cannot edit anything. You cannot change this logo, and you have to go to, if you need to change the logo and this thing, you have to go to view, slide master, and then only. Okay, so basically you are preparing a layout that cannot be edited. Okay, so you just need to, so this is like the company's basic format. All the PPTs presented from the company should have this logo, and the color should be, so you can set it instead of applying, creating for everything. You can just set it and then see how many slides, whatever slides you create, it will be like this. And to this, you can add any text. Welcome to Wild Safari. Okay, you can add images, you can add animation, transition, all these things. I hope it is clear. Now what they will give you, they will tell you to edit a master slide. So you have to open the PPT, you will go to view, go to slide master, and do the necessary editing whatever they are telling. Okay, save, then close this master view, it will be reflected. I hope this is also clear.